Welcome to Red Wolf Systems Fulcrum Power BI Connector, the ultimate solution for simplifying your connections to Fulcrum. Say goodbye to creating manual API queries. Before, every form had to be connected individually, and each required manual preparation of API queries and knowing precisely what application or form you wanted to query. This process was time-consuming and error-prone. Now, you can explore all your forms, records, attachments, or media with our connector without knowing the structure or typing complex API queries. With just one click, create a connection. No more tedious manual setups. To start using your data, select Get Data and the Fulcrum connector to explore your account. All available forms, attachments, media, and other items are listed here. Now you can quickly find what you need. Select the form to get the records. It's that simple. Previously, you had to build the API query manually, but now, connections are automatically created and records loaded. With a single click, the source is instantly created. It's fast, simple, and error-free. Our connector handles all API integrations seamlessly behind the scenes. You just need your API key. The connector saves you time building the connections, so you can focus on analyzing your data. For more information, visit our website, www.redwolfsystems.com, or write us at info@redwolfsystems.com.